what I do is a really niche product, so he had to learn about that really fast, which he's done. My business has been a bit of a challenge because I don't have return business. So my business is I'm constantly looking for new clients. I had a little online presence, so we sort of started off with a bit of Facebook advertising. Now we're totally Google. Google's been a thing for me, and through that it's been giving me constant good quality leads. So if you're wanting to grow your business, or serious about growing your business, you should really talk to Tim because he's exceeded all expectations year on year, and my business has just grown.